Hello students, today I am going to do GCE O-Level Examination 1000 Short Question Series, Question Paper 24. So we have already covered 23 papers. So this is also 1 hour paper. You get 25 short questions. So all 25 questions are relevant to your O-Level syllabus. So make sure that you do all 1000 questions before O-Level exam as revision. So here spaces are provided and you can get 2 marks for each question. So let's do question paper 24. In first page you get question number 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Page number 2 you get question number 7 to 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Page number 3, question number 14 to 19. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And last page you get question number 20 to 25. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So let's do this paper. We'll take the first question. Diniti has X rupees. Sirini has 40 rupees more than Diniti. Vimukti has 24 rupees less than Sirini. Find total amount that all three have. So who are the three people? Diniti, Sirini and Vimukti. Now we can write equations. Diniti has X rupees, so we'll write X here. Sirini has 40 rupees more than Diniti. That means X plus 40. Then Vimukti has 24 rupees less than Sirini. So you have to subtract 24 from that. So what you get? X plus 6 here and 3, 1. X plus 16. Find total amount that all three have. So we need to find out the total. So what's the total? Total is X plus 40 plus X plus 16. 1, 2, 3. 3x plus 40 plus 16, you get 56. So 3x plus 56 is the total amount. This is in rupees. So you get 2 marks for this. Take question number 2. Find the value of 8a plus 2a over 5 minus 3 when a equals 5. So substitute a equals 5. 8 times 5 plus 2. A is 5 minus 3. 5 and 5 get cancelled out. 40 plus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 40 minus 1. 39. So the value is 39. So 2 marks for that. Question number 3. PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS. According to the information given, find values of X and Y. So look at carefully. You can straight away find out Y. Here, these are allied angles because PQ and SR both are parallel. So Y plus 110 is equal to 180. So you can find Y is 180 minus 110. So you get 70 degrees for Y value. Then how you find out X? If this is Y, this is also same. Opposite angles of a parallelogram is the same. So this is 70. Now you can take PST triangle. X plus 70 plus 30 is 180. Angles, sum of a triangle. So x plus 100 equals 180. So you get x as subtraction 180 minus 100. You get 80 degrees. So you get 2 marks for that. 1 mark for y value, 1 mark for x. Question number 4. How many 1/5 in 3 2/5? So that means divide. 3 2/5 divide by 1/5. You can find how many 1/5 are there. Convert to an improper fraction. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 70. You can convert to multiplication by taking the reciprocal. 5 goes there, 1 here. 5 get cancelled out. So you get 17 times bigger. So how many 1/5? 17 1/5 in 3 and 2/5. So 2 marks there. Question number 5. There are 55 Sinhalese, 80 English and 45 Tamils in an international school. If 7/12 are girls, find the number of boys in that school. So here altogether how many total? Total you can find out by adding. For 55, 80 and 45. So altogether how many? 5 and 5, 10. And here 1. That means 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. So 180 altogether. So 7/12 are girls. Now we need how many boys? So number of boys are, so what is the remainder? 1 minus 7/12 means 12 minus 7/12. That's 5/12 is the remaining part. So 5/12 of 180. That's the total. 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 18. So 30. 2 times 15. 15 times 5, 75. 75 boys in that school. So you get 2 marks for this. 1 mark for number of boys and number of the working out, you get 1 mark. Question number 6. An amount divided between Cyril and Anil to the ratio Cyril and Anil to the ratio 3:5. If Anil gets 460 more than Cyril, so that means if x is there, this is x plus 460. Find the amount divided. So here, what's the total they're asking? So here we can equate the ratios. Now think about what's the ratio here. X plus 460 to x is 5:3. Now you can solve for x. Cross multiply. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 460, you get 1380. And here 5 times x, 5x. Now when you take 3x to this side, 5x minus 3x, 2x is equal to 1380. Divide this by 2. You get x equals 2 times 6, 12 for 18, that's 9. So 690 there. So here they are asking find the amount divided. So total is 2x and 460. So we can find out the amount divided is total value. Total is equal to x and x, 2x plus 460. So you get 2 times x, that's 690 plus 460. What's the value? 2 times 0, 2 times 9, 18. And 2 times 6, 12 plus 1, 13. Plus 460, 0. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 remaining, 8, 1. 1,840 rupees divided among Cyril and Anil. So that means 1,840 x 690 for this person, 690 plus 460 for Anil. So 2 marks for that. So you get 2 marks for this question. Question number 7. Convert 7 over 150 as a percentage. How you convert as a percentage? You just multiply by 100 and divide by 100 means the sign. 0 get cancelled out. 5 times 2 and 5 times 3. 7 times 2, 14 over 3%. That means 3 times 4, 12. 2 remaining, 2/3 as a percentage. You get 2 marks for that. Question number 8. A man takes 5 hours to travel 5 over 7 of journey. He took 1 hour. So this is 1. He took 1 hour to travel the remaining distance, 90 kilometers. Find average speed. So a man takes 5 hours for 5 over 7 of distance. 5 hours. He took 1 hour to travel the remaining. So what is remaining? 90 kilometers. That's 2 sevens. So 2 sevens means 90 kilometers given. That's he took 1 hour. So you can find out the distance here. 2 sevens means 90 kilometers. So you need 5 sevens. So divide by 2 and multiply by 5. So 2 times 45. 45 times 5. 225. So that's 225 kilometers traveled within 5 hours. So how you find out the average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance traveled. Total distance traveled is 225, this distance, and this is 5 hours. So here 90 kilometers. So you add these two, and what's the total number of hours? 5 and 1, 6 hours. 5, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 remaining. That's 3. 315 divided by 6. 5, 30 for 15. That's 2. 6 times 2, 12 and 30. That's 5. 52.5. This is in kilometers per hour. So 2 marks for that. Question number 9. Find the shaded area and the center of both semicircles is O. So center is here. So find the shaded. So how you find out the shaded area? The bigger area minus the smaller. So you can write, what's the area of the bigger semicircle? Pi. We'll say capital R is the radius, R squared. And that is divided by 2. Minus half pi simple R squared. That's the smaller radius. So half pi is common. Take it out. You can write R squared minus simple R squared. Now you can substitute half pi is 22/7. Capital R means the bigger radius. That's 14. Simple r means the smaller one. That's 7 squared. So you get here 2 and this you get 11/7. You can use difference between two square terms, 14 plus 7 and 14 minus 7. So you get 11/7. This is 7 and 14 plus 7, 21. So 7 times 3, 21. You get 33 times 7. 33 times 7. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 3, 21 plus 2, 23. 231 square centimeters is the shaded area. So you get 2 marks for that. Question number 10. Following pie chart shows how workers travel to work. If 150 workers travel by foot, this one is 150 workers travel by foot. Find the total number of workers in that office. So we can find out the fractional part of this sector. So what's the total of 2/3, 1/6 and 1/12? Total is 12 parts. That's the lowest common multiple. Convert everything to 12. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 2, 8. 6 times 2, 12. 2 times 1, 2. And here 1. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11/12. So 11/12 parts are for those. So what is the fractional part for this one? 1 minus 11/12. So that's 1/12. 1/12 means 150. So what about full parts? Means 12 parts multiplied by 12. 150 multiplied by 12. 12 times 0, 0. 12 times 5, 60. 12 times 1, 12 plus 6, 18. So altogether 1,800 workers are there. So you get 2 marks. Method mark and the accuracy mark. Question number 11. Midpoints of sides of ABCD square are PQRS. What fraction is shaded out of the entire figure? So we need to find out the shaded part. So we can use, this is the full one, and subtract the inside square. So ABCD is a square, so midpoints. So here all these lengths are equal. Now here you need to find out the area of the shaded part. So we can easily find using the area of these triangles. This is 90 degrees. So what is area of one triangle? Half into base into height. So half into base into height is A and A. And you get 4 triangles like that. So that's the total area shaded. And what's the area of the total square? This is A and this is A, 2A. So 2A into 2A, length into width, same length for a square. So now we can find out the fraction. A's get cancelled out. This 2 and this 4, you get 2. So 2 over, and this 2 and this 2 get cancelled out. So you get half. So what fraction is shaded out of the entire figure? Half. So you don't need to find out full area minus this one. Straight away you can use area of the triangle multiplied by 4. So you get 2 marks for that. Question number 12. How many cubes of length 2 centimeters can be stacked in the given cuboid? So, given cuboid, how many? One cuboid is there. So, how many are there? So, we can find out separately along length, along width and along height. Cubes along length, 2 centimeters is 1 length. So, 9 divided by 2, this is 4.5 means roughly, exactly 4 cubes you can fit along length. How many cubes along width? 8 divided by 2, that's 4 cubes. How many cubes along height? Height is 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. So, the total number of cubes, 4 into 4 into 3. Total number of cubes, 4 into 4 into 3. You get 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 3, you get 48. 16 times 3, 3 times 6, 18 and 4, 48 cubes you can fit into this cuboid. So, don't try to find out the volume of the cube and volume of the cuboid and divide. What happens when you do that? So, you are getting, more than what you can actually fit, because the small empty spaces you get together and create another cube. So, don't do that. You have to do separately. How many cubes along length? How many cubes along width? Along height, and then multiply and get the answer. So, get 2 marks for that. Question number 13. Fill in the blank with suitable value. 85 is there. So, can you see 85 is common? So, that means 93 is equal to 100 minus x. So, how you find x? So, x becomes 100 minus 93. You get 7 as the answer. So, this is 7. So, that's easy. Straight away you can get 2 marks. Question number 14. Mean mass of 4 boys is this much, 48.5 kilos. And mean mass of 5 girls is 47.6 kilos. Find the mean mass of all 9 students. So, you need total value. So, for the mean, you need overall the total for boys and total for girls. How you find out total for boys? Mean number is 48.5 and 4 boys. So, 4 into 48.5. Girls, 5 girls, 47.6. That's the total. Divide by, now all together 9 are there. So, divide by 9. So, we need to multiply. 4 times 5, 20. 2 remaining. 4 times 8, 32 plus 2, 34. And 4 times 4, 16 plus 3, 19. Here, 5 times 6, 30. 3 remaining. 5 times 7, 35. Plus 3, 38. 3 remaining. 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So, divide by 9. What's the total? 8 plus 4, 12. 1 remaining. 10 plus 3, 13. and 1 remaining. 2 and 2, 4. Divide by 9. 9 times 4, 36. So 43 minus 36, 7. 72, 9 times 8. So 48 kilogram is the mean mass for all. 2 marks for that. Question number 15. Interior angle of a regular polygon is x plus 30 and exterior angle is x plus 90. You know, when this is exterior plus interior, you get the sum is 180. That's a straight line. So you can find out number of sides of the regular polygon by finding the exterior angle. So 360 divided by exterior angle, you get number of sides. So we'll solve this. X plus 90 and x plus 30 add up to 180. So 2x plus 120 is 180 here. So 2x equals 180 minus 120, that's 60. So divide by 2, x is 30 degrees. X is 30. So what is the exterior angle then? Exterior becomes x plus 90. So 30 plus 90, you get 120. So what's the number of sides? 360 divided by the exterior angle, you get 3. So that's a equilateral triangle. Regular polygon, that's the equilateral triangle with 3 sides. N equals 3. So 2 marks for that. Question number 16. PDA is a straight line. ABCD is a trapezium. So trapezium means this line is parallel to this line. Find the value of x. You need to find out this angle. If this is 35, alternate angles are equal. So this is 35. Then what is this one? Now here, if this is x, you can find out this angle. That's 180 minus x divided by 2. Or what's the other method? So that's the easiest way to do. So this is an isosceles triangle. This is x. So these two, 180 minus x divide by 2. 180 minus x divide by 2. That's this angle. Now we can create an equation. This angle plus x is the exterior angle. So we can write 180 minus x over 2 plus x is equal to 80 plus 35. So you get 5 and 11, 115. So we'll try to solve this. Multiply everything by 2. You get 180 minus x plus 2x is equal to 2 times 5, 10 and 3 and 2 here. Here 180 plus x equals 230. So what is x? 230 minus 180. 0, 5. So you get 50 degrees is x. So maybe you will find out another easy way. So, or this and this, you can find this angle and then you can find this or whatever another method, but we found using this method, that's x equals 50. So 2 marks. Question number 17. The ratio between cows and goats. Cows to goats, 5 to 7 in a farm. If 22 more goats brought to the farm, the total number of animals is 190. So more, 22 more. So if this is 5x, we'll take actual number of cows 5x, and this is 7x, and we are adding 22 goats now. So the total 5x plus 7x plus 22 is equal to 190. 7 plus 5, 12x is equal to, subtract 22, 8, 6, 168. Divide by 12, 12 times 1, 12, and 48, that's 4. So 14 is x. So now they want the new ratio between cows and goats. So what's the value? 5x. 5 times 14 is cows. Then goats, 7x. 7 times 14 plus 22. Can we simplify this? 5 times 4, 20. 2 remaining. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. Here, 7 times 14, 98. 98 plus 22, 120. So you can divide by 10. 7 to 12 is the new ratio. So 2 marks there. Question number 18. Common tangents drawn to the two circles with centers M and N intersect at P. Show that AD is equal to BC. That's easy. Can you see? This is the outside point. This is equal to this. We know tangent lengths are equal when you draw from an outside point to one circle. So PC is equal to PD. When this, you take this circle, these also equal. So you can write AP is equal to BP. When you add these two, 1 and 2, when you add, what happens? PC plus BP, PD plus AP, PD plus AP. Here PC plus BP. So what is that? This one is AD, and this side is PC and PB, you get BC. So straight away you get AD equals BC. So 2 marks for that. Question number 19. Fill in the blanks using knowledge in factors. So you have to find what is A and B. So you can start from here. 3 and 5 there. So what's this number A? A is just 3 times 5. That's 15. We have 15 here, 4. There are no common factors. So 15 times 4 is B. So 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 1, 4 plus 2, 6. B is 16. So 1 mark for A, 1 mark for B. Question number 20. Simplify. 2 root 45 plus 3 root 20 over 4 root 5. Now 45 can you write as a square number? 9 times 5. 20. 4 times 5. And this is 4 root 5. Now simplify. Square root 9, 3. So you get 3 root 5. 3 times 2, 6 root 5 when you simplify all together. What about this one? Root 4 is 2. 2 times 3, 6. 6 root 5 over 4 root 5. So same surd you can add 6 and 6, 12. 12 root 5 and 4 root 5. Same surd get cancelled out. 12 divided by 4. Answer is 3. So you get 2 marks for that. Question number 21. Find x plus y without solving simultaneous equations. So either adding or subtracting. So we'll add and see. 1, 2. 1 plus 2, what you get? Same denominator. So 5 plus 3. You can write 8 over x plus y. Same denominator you get. That other term get cancelled out. 10 plus 6, 16. So what is x plus y? You can cross multiply and 16 comes here. So that's 8 over 16. That's half. 8 times 2, 16. So you get half. So easily you can find out x plus y value without solving. 2 marks for that. Question number 22. How many terms are there in this arithmetic progression? Starting value is 56. So first term is 56. What's the common difference? Any term minus the previous. You get 7. So you can use nth term formula. First term plus n minus 1 d. D is 7. That's equal to 490. Last term is given. From that last term, you can find out number of terms. 56 subtract, you get n minus 1 into 7 is 490 minus 56. 434. Now divide both sides by 7. N minus 1 is equal to 7 times 6, 42, and for 14 that's 2. So what is it? 62 plus 1, 63 terms. So in this arithmetic progression you get 63 terms. 2 marks for that. Question number 23. Find the sum of first term and 22nd term. So T1 and 22nd term. So you need to find out this. So you have given 7th term is 3. 7th term, how you find out 7th term? A plus. If the first term is A, 7th term is 7 minus 1, you get 6D. That's 3. 16th term is 17. A plus 16 minus 1, 15D equals 17. Now we'll add and see what happens here. First one, second one. 1 plus 2. 2A plus 21D equals 20. So we can see, you can write A plus 21D. Now what is this? This is the first term, T1. A plus 21D is 22nd term, T22. So what's the total? 20. 20 is the answer. So you get 2 marks there. So here you don't need to find out separately what is the first term, difference. So when you add it, or sometimes you need to subtract it to get the answer. So you can do that and try. Question number 24. Find the set of positive integers that satisfy the inequality 2x minus 3 less than 3x minus 2 less than or equal to x plus 6. So first we'll get rid of this minus 2. So you have to add 2 to both sides. So 3x becomes x plus 6 and 2 becomes 8. Here when you add 2, 2x is there, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Now we have to take all x terms to inside. Or you can do it separately. Now here, when you do that, you get a different answer. So here you can't do at once. So you take separately. 2x minus 1 less than 3x. First 2 and last 2 you can do it separately. Then take 2x, x greater than minus 1. When you take x to this side, 3x minus x becomes 2x is less than or equal to 8. When you divide both sides by 2, x is less than or equal to 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So you get either x is greater than minus 1, minus 1 is not equal, so this side. X less than or equal to 4. That means if this is 4, this way. So what's the common one? In between. So x is in between minus 1 and 4. But 4 is included. So what are the integers satisfied? Positive integers. So positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 positive integers satisfy the inequality. So 2 marks. Solving the inequality and then finding the integers. Last question. Sketch a diagram to construct PBC triangle that is equal in area of ABC and PB equals PC. So this one, PB is equal to PC. That means the P point is on the perpendicular bisector of this. So what you do? You take the compass and you can first construct the perpendicular bisector of BC. So you take the compass and you can draw the perpendicular bisector. So think about this is the perpendicular bisector. So you don't need to draw accurately. So any point on this PB is equal to PC. Then what is the other requirement? The area of PBC is same as the area of ABC. So ABC triangle area. So that means same base with the triangle should be inside the 2 parallel lines. So basically what you have to do, you have to draw a parallel line to BC. How you draw a parallel line? You can use the parallelogram method. You measure this distance, you keep it here and draw an arc. Then from here to here, take this distance and keep the compass here and draw the other arc, same distance. And then what you do? You connect this point and this point. So that means this line is parallel to this line. So we use the parallelogram method. Now where is P now? In between these 2 parallel lines and on the perpendicular bisector. So P should be here. So when you draw the triangle, see this area is same as this area. So same base BC and in between two parallel lines, the areas are equal. So you get 2 marks for that. Marking the P point 1 mark and drawing these construction lines 1 mark. So you get 2 marks altogether. So this is the last question in this paper. So we covered all 25 questions in the paper and each question 2 marks. So we gave 50 marks for the whole paper. So before you watch my video, you have to do all 25 questions and then look at my video to check your answers.